Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained about the AC power delivered to the load. The AC power delivered to the load is given by the equations PL is equal to VL RMS square by RL, or PL is equal to IL RMS square into RL. That is, as per the power equation, P is equal to V square by R, or P is equal to I square into R. Then we also related the load power with the output power using the equation PL is equal to P naught AC if the transformer is ideal. That is, if it is having 100% efficiency. If the transformer is practical, right, then the equation relating load power with the output power is given by PL is equal to eta TFR into P naught AC, where eta TFR is the efficiency of the transformer. Next, let us continue with the maximum AC output power. From the equation for maximum AC output power, that is equation 8, we find that the AC output power P naught AC is maximum. When it will be maximum, that we have to find out. Okay, let us go to the equation 8 in the AC analysis of transformer coupled class A amplifier. Equation 8. In this equation 8, P naught AC, right? If we substitute VCE min equal to 0 and IC min equal to 0, right, the difference will be maximum, VCE max minus VCE min, and similarly IC max minus IC min difference will also be maximum. Therefore numerator will be more, and as numerator will be more, the output AC power will also be more, or it will be maximum. Right, like this we are getting maximum AC output power when VCE min equal to 0 and IC min equal to 0 in this equation 8. So if we substitute VC min equal to 0 and IC min equal to 0 in this equation, what we will get? P naught AC is equal to VCE max, right, into IC max by 8, because VCE min equal to 0 and IC min equal to 0. The equation is P naught AC is equal to VCE max into IC max divided by 8. That is the equation that we are getting here. P naught AC max is equal to VCE max into IC max by 8. Now IC max is equal to the equation for IC max, it is VCE max by RL dash. Right. Let us go to the circuit of a transformer coupled class A amplifier. In this circuit, the collector current will be maximum when the collector to emitter voltage will be maximum. Right. Collector current is the current which is flowing here in the collector path. This will be maximum when the collector to emitter voltage will be maximum. So IC max is equal to VC max divided by RL dash. RL dash is the resistance of the primary winding of the transformer, or it is the output resistance of the transformer here. So we will be getting here IC max is equal to VC max by RL dash. Now if we substitute IC max is equal to VC max by RL dash in above equation, we get P naught AC max is equal to VC square max by 8 RL dash, because IC max is VC max by RL dash. Therefore P naught AC max is equal to VC square VC max by 8 into VC max by RL dash. That will give us VC square max divided by 8 RL dash. Now let us use equation 5. In equation 5, with VC min equal to 0, if we put VC min equal to 0 in equation 5, in this equation, if we put VC min equal to 0, right, in equation 5, then we'll be getting VC max is equal to 2 times VCC, because VC min is 0, right? Therefore VC max is equal to 2 times VCC. That is the equation that we will get. So VC max is equal to 2 times VCC. If we substitute this equation in equation 18, that is VC max is equal to 2 times VCC. That means VC square max will become 4 VCC square, correct? VC max square will become 4 VCC square by 8 RL dash. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. That will be VCC square divided by 2 RL dash. Therefore P naught AC maximum will be equal to VCC square divided by 2 RL dash. Okay, take it as equation 19. This is the maximum AC output power in terms of the supply voltage and the resistance of the primary winding RL dash. Let us solve an example. on the transformer coupled class A amplifier. A class A transformer coupled audio power amplifier is required to deliver a maximum of 1 watt into a loudspeaker of 10 ohm resistance. If the output resistance of the amplifier is 1000 ohm, calculate turns ratio of the transformer required power supply voltage. The statement is like this: a class A transformer coupled audio power amplifier. That means it is clear that it is a class A transformer coupled power amplifier or audio power amplifier, and it is required to deliver a maximum of 1 watt. That is P naught AC max. Maximum AC output power is 1 watt. Deliver means it is the output power. Maximum AC output power equal to 1 watt. That is P naught AC max equal to 1 watt. Then into a loudspeaker of 10 ohm resistance. That means RL is given. Loudspeaker is nothing but load resistance of 10 ohm. RL equal to 10 ohm. If the output resistance of the amplifier is 1000 ohm, that is R naught is given. R naught equal to 1000 ohm. R naught of the amplifier, output resistance of the amplifier, that is 1000 ohm. We have to calculate turns ratio of the transformer, that is N1 by N2 ratio, and also the power supply voltage, that is VCC. And they have asked to assume ideal transformer. The equation is RL dash is equal to RL into N1 by N2 the whole square. This is the equation that we have derived. RL dash is equal to RL into N1 by N2 the whole square. That is, if I rearrange, I will get N1 by N2 the whole square is equal to RL dash by RL. N1 by N2 the whole square will become equal to RL dash by RL. But RL dash equal to R naught here, because output resistance is nothing but the primary winding resistance. So this is the output resistance here for the transformer. This is the load resistance RL. Then output resistance is nothing but the primary winding resistance. It is the primary winding resistance, is it not? So let us take here in this example RL dash equal to R naught. If we take RL dash equal to R naught, then N1 by N2 square will be R naught by RL, or N1 by N2 will be square root of R naught by RL. That is, it will be square root of R naught is, they have given R naught, it is 1000, and RL is also given, it is 10 ohm. Therefore, that is square root of 1000 by 10, that is square root of 100 will be 10, or N1 is to N2 will be 10 is to 1. The ratio of N1 to N2 is 10 is to 1. That means we have to use step down transformer here for this particular condition, because primary turns is more than the secondary turns. Therefore, we have to use step down transformer. Now we also know the equation P naught AC max, that is maximum AC output power, is given by the equation VCC square by 2 RL dash. Just now we have derived the equation for maximum AC output power in terms of supply voltage and resistance of the primary winding. That is P naught AC max is given by VCC square by 2 RL dash. Correct? That is VCC square by 2 R naught, because RL dash is R naught here. Now if I rearrange for VCC, then the equation will become VCC square is equal to 2 R naught into P naught AC max. VCC square here, this will be equal to 2 R naught into P naught AC max, or VCC will be equal to square root of 2 R naught P naught AC max. Substitute all the values. Square root of 2 R naught is 1000. P naught AC max, they have given maximum AC output power as 1 watt. Substitute that, then this will be equal to 44.7, or it is approximately equal to 45 volts. So the supply voltage value here for these conditions given in the problem, it is 45 volts. Fine, students. Next let us move on to what is called as a conversion efficiency. Conversion efficiency, it is also called as theoretical efficiency or collector circuit efficiency. Right? There are various names for it: conversion efficiency or theoretical efficiency or collector circuit efficiency. Power amplifier converts DC power of the supply, that is VCC power supply, DC power of the supply voltage VCC, into AC power that is delivered to the load. The ratio of the AC power delivered to the load to the DC power supplied by this supply, it is called as conversion efficiency or theoretical efficiency or collector circuit efficiency. The ratio of the AC power delivered to the load to the DC power supplied to the power amplifier is called conversion efficiency or theoretical efficiency or collector circuit efficiency. Now this percentage eta, That is, efficiency, conversion efficiency is given by AC or signal power delivered to the load divided by DC power supplied to amplifier into 100%. Am I right? Percentage efficiency is given by AC or signal power delivered to the load divided by DC power supplied to the amplifier into 100%. That is, percentage efficiency is equal to P naught AC by Pi DC into 100%. Take it as equation 1. Now we know the equation P naught AC, that is, we have already written the equation P naught AC is equal to Vrms into Irms, and further Vrms will be equal to Vm by root 2 and Irms will be equal to Im by root 2. That is how we are getting P naught AC as equal to Vc peak into Ic peak divided by 2. Vc peak is similar to Vc max and Ic peak is similar to Icm or Ic max. So P naught AC will be Vc peak into Ic peak by 2. The DC power is given by PI DC is equal to VCC into ICQ. This we have seen in our previous classes. The DC input power, it is given by VCC into ICQ. That is the DC power applied to the power amplifier multiplied by the collector current at the operating point, that is ICQ. If we substitute these in equation 1, then we get percentage efficiency is equal to VCE peak, because P naught AC is VCE peak into IC peak by 2. Let's substitute that P naught, that is AC output power, P naught AC in the numerator, right? That will be VC peak into IC peak by 2. Then PIDC will be VCC into ICQ. PIDC will be equal to VCC into ICQ. PIDC will be equal to VCC into ICQ. If we substitute these, then we will get here from the figure of that is VC peak into IC peak divided by 2 VCC ICQ into 100%. That will be simplified to 50, because 2 ones are 250 is the 100. 50 VC peak into IC peak by VCC ICQ percent. Okay, this is percentage conversion efficiency or theoretical efficiency or collector circuit efficiency of the transformer coupled power amplifier. Take it as equation number 4. Let us move on to the further details of the conversion efficiency of transformer coupled class A power amplifier from the figure of AC analysis, that is considering equation 5 and 6. Let us go to the equations 5 and 6 of the analysis of transformer coupled power amplifier. Equation 5 and 6. Equation 5 is VCC is equal to VC max plus VC min by 2. VCC is equal to VC max plus VC min by 2. And equation 6 is VC peak is equal to VC max minus VC min by 2. That is further equal to VC peak to peak divided by 2. Okay, VC peak is equal to VC max minus VC min by 2. That is further equal to VC peak to peak divided by 2. Equation 6. Now using these equations 5 and 6, that is VCC is equal to VC max plus VC min by 2, and VC peak is equal to VC max minus VC min by 2, that is equal to VC peak to peak divided by 2. Now from equation 4 of conversion efficiency, the equation 4 just now we have derived, percentage efficiency is equal to 50 into VC peak into IC peak by VCC ICQ percentage. If we use this equation 4, then in this equation 4, the same equation is written, percentage efficiency is equal to 50 into VC peak into IC peak divided by VCC ICQ. Now IC peak is equal to ICQ for distortionless output. If the output should not consist of any distortions, then the collector peak current must be equal to the operating point collector current. The collector peak current IC peak must be equal to the operating point collector current ICQ for distortionless output. So if IC peak is equal to ICQ, then this IC peak in the numerator and ICQ in the denominator will get cancelled. So IC peak in the numerator and ICQ in the denominator will get cancelled, and only what remains is percentage efficiency is equal to 50 into VC peak, that divided by VCC. So 50 into VC peak is given by VC max minus VCE min divided by 2. Then that divided by VCC. VCC is given by VC max plus VCE min divided by 2. 2 and 2 are getting cancelled, so we get only 50 into VC max minus VCE min, right? That is divided by VC max plus VCE min. 50 into VC max minus VCE min, that divided by VC max plus VCE min. Now maximum efficiency is when we see min is equal to 0. Just now we saw that maximum efficiency we are getting when we see min is equal to 0. If I substitute we see min is equal to 0 in this equation for percentage efficiency, then we will get percentage efficiency is equal to 50 into VCE max divided by VCE max, because VCE min is 0. VCE min is 0 in the numerator and also in the denominator. Therefore, percentage efficiency will be 50 into VCE max divided by VCE max. VCE max and VCE max will get cancelled. So percentage efficiency will be equal to 50%. That means for transformer coupled class A power amplifier, the maximum efficiency is 50%. In examination, they may ask a question on transformer coupled class A power amplifier efficiency as derive the conversion efficiency equation of transformer coupled class A power amplifier. That is one way of asking. Or they may ask, show that the maximum efficiency of transformer coupled class A power amplifier is 50%. Okay, these may be two possible type of questions that may be asked in examination on the maximum efficiency or the conversion efficiency or collector circuit efficiency, right, or theoretical efficiency of transformer coupled class A power amplifier. Okay, so in today's class, students, we have discussed about the AC power delivered to the load, maximum AC output power, that is given by P naught AC max is equal to VCC square by 2 RL dash. Then we have solved an example on transformer coupled class A power amplifier to determine turns ratio of the transformer and power supply voltage assuming ideal transformer. Then the conversion efficiency or theoretical efficiency or collector circuit efficiency of the transfer coupled class A power amplifier. The basic equation is given by percentage efficiency is equal to 50 into VC peak into IC peak divided by VCC ICQ in terms of percentage. Then actual value of conversion efficiency or maximum efficiency of transfer coupled class A power amplifier we have derived, and we have obtained it as 50%. That is maximum efficiency of transfer coupled class A power amplifier is 50%. That's all for today's class, students. Hope everybody have understood. If there are any doubts, anything not understood, any queries or questions on the topics that I discussed today, please send your doubts, your queries, your questions to me. I'll clarify your doubts, your questions and queries. Thank you.